Alright, so I'm gonna use this guy because I want to show you guys the fifth or third stick ability you can do with the HOTAS that just absolutely dogs on everybody else. So normally whenever you get in your heli, you're stuck putting your throttle on one of your sticks or your triggers. You need triggers for shooting missiles, keybinds, whichever you want. And you need your sticks for flying in general. So this is a lot nicer. I could just set this over here like this, come in here, slap that, lock it up, come over here at this guy, and just, oop, almost forgot, keybind for my missiles. I just start at the back and just meanwhile, I can rotate my helicopter to maintain perfect lock with all these. Snap out two real quick. Notice how I can keep that lock down there within the same screen relatively easily. And then just real quick come back. It's so much easier to fix like that. I F that up horribly right there. If I was still on my controller using a keyboard, I'd have just gone right into the ground. The YA-64 is prone to vortex rings, and they absolutely suck. And then on top of that feature, come back around like so. Say you're like me and you have trouble always locking your guns up on people. So we're gonna swap over to here, turn our laser off. I'm gonna swap this camera angle right here. There we go. I'll turn that off though. You gotta get a new keybind for that. Either way, now I can sit here, I can do this. I don't know what's up with the camera angle on it. He kind of loses track with the gun there. I'll have to figure that out. Be a little bit easier if I had a VR, but sadly I'm on Xbox, so the best a man can get. Either way, you get the point. I'm not the best at it, but the amount of stuff you can do with this is just absolutely insane.